Here's a quick example on how to graph a rational function. The example that we've got was y equals 4 on x minus 3. So first of all, we consider the horizontal asymptote. What value of x will cause the right-hand side to equal 0? There is no value of x, so our horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. Our vertical asymptote is when x minus 3 equals 0, so when the denominator equals 0, so therefore the vertical asymptote is at x equals 3. And our y-intercept, remember our y-intercept is minus a on b, and in this case a is 4 and b is 3, so it's going to be negative 4/3. So, which is the same as negative 1 1/3. So if we plot that, the first thing we're going to put in is a vertical asymptote at x equals 3. So it's marked as a dashed line, and we label it x equals 3. Then we're going to put in the horizontal line at y equals 0. If I can get my ruler to line up. And we label that as y equals 0. We mark our y-intercept at negative 1 1/3, which is going to be about here. And from there, we can plot some other points. So I'll just put it down in over here. When x equals 1, y is going to be 4 on 1 minus 3, which is going to be 4 divided by negative 2, which is negative 2. So here's 1, negative 2. When x is negative 1, y is going to be 4 on negative 1 minus 3. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. 4 divided by negative 4 is negative 1. So it's going to go through there. And you can plot a few other points too and get the general shape. Bearing in mind that they are symmetrical, or in fact they have rotational symmetry. So the shape of the left branch should be the same as the shape of the right branch. And so you can see that it's going through this point here, which is 1, 1, and you can see that it's 2 units to the asymptote in both directions. 1, 2, 1, 2. So by symmetry, our other point is going to be here as well. So you can use that as a guide. The other thing you can do is also a table of values. From there, we label the function y equals 4 on x minus 3. That's it.